Search is no longer a discovery process. It is a winnowing process. For 20 years, business survival depended on SEO, search engine optimization. You fought for a spot in the top 10 blue links, but the blue link is dying. By early 2026, we enter the era of Generative Engine Optimization, GEO. In this new architecture, if a large language model doesn't mention your brand in its synthesized answer, you become invisible to search dependent discovery. If you aren't in the answer, you aren't in the market. Traditional SEO was about keywords, brute force term matching. GEO is about semantic authority. An LLM like ChatGPT doesn't search for your product. It infers relevance based on trillion-point association map. To get recommended, you must move from gaming the algorithm to building infrastructure of trust. LLM weights sources by citation frequency and institutional authority. If your brand exists only in marketing copy without supporting data, it gets deprioritized. The model looks for what it can cite, not what it can sell. To master GEO, build three specific modes. Pillar 1, Authority Signal. AI model trained heavily on academic and institutional sources naturally weight those more in responses. To be recommended, your product must speak the language of data, not marketing. Don't say fast software. Publish 40% latency reduction in enterprise deployment with timestamps, benchmark, methodology. That's what AI can cite. Pillar 2, the narrative integration. Models favor decision-making shortcuts. When a user asks, what is the best tool for X, the AI look for the contextual winner. Seed the ecosystem with case studies that solve structural failures. Show, don't tell how you solve perverse incentives. Pillar 3, inference friction reduction. Make it easy for AI to find your ground truth. Structured data, clear API documentation, presence in high-quality training datasets. Developers use to fine-tune models. The less friction, the more citations. Why care right now? Because the window to define your semantic moat is closing. As smart classes and AI agents become mainstream, possibly by 2026-2027, users will ask their device directly, what is the best risk guarantee fund available today? If you haven't optimized for inference, the AI recommends your competitor. Not because their product is better, because their logic was more defensible to the model. Like SEO in 1998, early movers built compounding structural advantage. The difference, this shift is happening in months, not years. The gatekeepers have changed. We have moved from the librarian who showed you all the books to the editor who tells you which one to read. To win in business and global market, stop thinking about clicks, start thinking about structural relevance. Don't just sell a product, become the only logical answer.